achieving quality production, it is very important that a business tries to maintain or improve the quality of what it produces. So first of all, quality means producing a good or service which satisfies customer expectations. It is the degree to which a product or service meets or even exceeds customer expectations. So as long as a customer buys a product and this product satisfies their expectations, what did they expect from this product? Then to this customer, quality has been achieved, and that is a success for the business from where the customer has bought this product. It goes without saying that quality products do not mean only international brands or businesses with huge names. No. Quality simply means that according to the price you have paid for this product, has it served the purpose that you expected it to serve? So as long as this product meets your expectations, then we say that this business has actually achieved quality for you as a customer. So what's the importance of quality for a business? When a business is able to produce goods or services that satisfy customer expectations or exceed customer expectations, then consequently the business establishes a brand image. It is building a brand image. And quality also increases sales by attracting new customers. It also builds brand loyalty due to repeated purchases. Remember, the customer usually gets satisfied from what they expected from the product. So as long as the customer is satisfied, then they will always return to buy these products from the business. And the opposite, of course, is if there is a lack of quality for a business's products, then it might lose customers to other brands. Because remember, this is not the only business that is producing the same product. The business may have to replace or repair faulty products, thus increasing its costs. And then, of course, the business will have a bad reputation. And we all know what it means for a customer to tell a friend, to tell another friend or a relative or something that actually what they expected from a product is not what they actually got from it. So there'll be a bad reputation for the business. So there are 3 ways that businesses use to check for the quality of what they produce. And in this video, we are clearly going to look at the first way, which is quality control. So how do businesses try to make sure that by the time customers receive these products, then these products will actually satisfy their needs and their demands and their expectations? So the first method is quality control. And we're saying that this is checking for quality at the end of the production process. In this case, products are first made or produced, and then when these products are ready, quality inspectors come in to check. Quality inspectors come in to test in case these are food products. So quality control means the entire production process first happens, and then eventually when the products are out of the machine or out or just produced, then standards are checked at that point. So quality control is checking for quality at the end of the production process. Quality is checked for after production has happened. So what are the advantages of using quality control by businesses to check for the quality of what has been produced? Of course, defective products are identified before reaching the customer, because at this point, when these defective products are identified, then obviously they may not have to be put into the distribution point to finally reach the customer. Then it helps maintain a certain standard of quality. So this is, and by the way, the quality inspectors may be people from out of the business, or they may just choose someone we call a mystery customer. In this case, someone comes in and acts like a customer. It could even be someone from within the business, but in this case, they're putting themselves in the shoes of a customer, and then they check for the quality to see if it meets the standard of a random customer. So, of course, the number one disadvantage is these quality inspectors have to be paid because they are coming in as experts. And so this increases the costs of production for the business. And of course, the entire process is very time consuming. And then the fact that we have said that quality control means checking for quality at the end of the production process. I want you to imagine if an entire batch is actually damaged, or if an entire batch has something missing, then it means the whole of it has to be wasted or thrown away, which is really bad. Then lastly, with quality control, it just checks for defects, but it does not prevent errors. It does not find out where the problem could have come from in the production process. So in my next video, I am going to talk about the two other methods of checking for quality that are used by businesses, and that is quality assurance and total quality management, also known as TQM. So feel free to subscribe, feel free to check out for the other video about those two other ways of checking for quality by businesses.